We were one of the very first people to use Turnkey in this marketing program, and it has changed our business 360 degrees. The things they are able to do for us is incredible. As a small business owner, we do so much. We do the figuring out what kind of our insurance, the uniforms for our staff, we make sure the bathrooms are clean, our employees are taken care of, our customers are taken care of. It is so hard to do it all. And so we had to find ways to make it more efficient and take some of those things off our plate. Knowing that somebody is looking at our Facebook posts and looking at who's commenting or just putting something out there, and I don't have time to even think about that, is peace of mind. It's increased our presence, our Facebook engagement, our Facebook likes, our car count, our confidence, and can't even tell you how much we appreciate Turnkey. So with that, again, reach out to us, reach out to Carrie Lynn if you are struggling at any level with your marketing and how to increase your business and take it to that next level.